Technology Then and Now by Alexa Gonzalez Mendoza. With these questions, we can compare the influence that technology has on the different types of jobs that exist today. The first question is, what is your name? And the answer is Marcela Mendoza. The second question is, what is your job? And the answer is, I am a principal at Primary Miguel Hidalgo. The next question is, how old are you? And the answer is, I'm 39 years old. The next question is, what kind of technology do you use at work? And the answer is mainly use the computer, projectors, phone, and internet. The next question is, what do you use each one for? And the answer is to motivate the students to work in a better way, which improve his school. The next question is, do you use cell phone devices in your work? And the question is, yes. For what? Because it's indispensable to communicate inside and out of work. The next question is, how many hours do you use it? And the answer is, whatever it takes, usually a few minutes. The next question is, do you think the use of phone has been useful? And the answer is yes, because it helps in the organization of work and communicate with other people. The next question, what I do, is how has the use of these new devices for work influenced your life? And the answer is because it keeps me from taking a job home. Next question is, have they facilitated your work? And the answer is yes, because it facilitates the work and help to do it in a minier time and with a better performance. The next question, what I do, is as communication with other people improve thanks to these devices. And the answer is yes, either inside or outside of work. The next question is, do you have a better control of your company, business, or position? And the answer is yes, because it helps to improve the learning of children. Next question is, have you developed your imagination for the creation of new products? And the answer is yes, because it implements a few forms of learning on the students. Next question is, do you consider that are important for the development of your work? And the answer is yes, I consider it because it helps students learn more effectively and sometimes entertaining and funny, yes. The next question is, what are the disadvantages in the development of your activities? And the answer is that we may depend so much on technology that we thought if we cannot do many of the activities that we were doing before. The next question is, and what are disadvantages? Advantage. And the answer is they are held to perform some more complicated activities. The next question say, do you agree with the new technological innovations that are being created? And the answer is yes, provided they are given proper use. The next question is, do you think you can develop your work activities without technological advances? And the answer is yes, even if it would be a little more complicated in some ways. The next question, and finally, what other technological devices do you think you need to improve? And the answer is computers for the students. From the results, we can see how technology affects and influences the current work. Thank you so much. My name is Alexa Gonzalez, and goodbye.